Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys hands down the best hardware wallet under $100. So if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Also, I am open ears. If you guys have any other hardware wallets that maybe I haven't mentioned on the channel, please put them down below and let me know what is another good option under $100 especially. So if you guys have not checked out my other videos, I've done tons and tons of videos on hardware wallets, unboxing, how to set up. So I'm going to invite you to subscribe and also to watch those videos. So if you want further opinions on that, take what I say and then make your own assessment. That's what I invite you to do. On top of that, we have a link tree. So in this link tree, pinned in the comments down below, as well as in the description, I have links to save you guys money off of the top 5 leading hardware wallets in the world. What is the best hardware wallet under $100? And there's really only one option, and it is in my hand. It is the Tangem Wallet, okay? So this is the best hardware wallet cold storage option. There are 2 main reasons you want to pick up a hardware wallet. The first one is that you own your seed. So when setting this up, and I have tutorials on this, check it out on the channel. You guys get to write down your seed phrase. If you guys ever lose the device, you simply buy another one and import your seed phrase. Your crypto is safe. On top of that, what's great about a hardware wallet is that it's very difficult to hack. So you would physically need the device and to know the password. Whereas if you set up a Binance or Coinbase account, if that account ever gets compromised, you can easily lose access to your crypto because somebody can sign a transaction. So this makes it very difficult for a hacker to take your crypto. So that's the main reason. So guys, head over to Linktree, use code MOOSE. It's already embedded in the link. And right now you get an extra 5%. So not only is this the best cold storage hardware wallet option under $100, it is the best option under $50. So that's incredible. If you guys do want to step things up, you could spend $60, get a 3-card set, and you could also pick up a Tangem ring. So if you guys do have more than $100, this is the coolest thing in the world. So using the Tangem app, that's how the card works as well. It uses NFC. You tap to sign your transactions, and the app is incredible. So we'll get into some of that as well. So guys, use code MOOSE, 100%. That's going to help you out. What I like a lot about Tangem as well is all the updates that they've done. So with the app, you have access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens. You have your Cardano, you have XRP, Solana. Guys, the top leading cryptos and more, you can hold them with this wallet. So if you're looking for a wallet that supports a lot of different networks, this is going to be an option. On top of that, you also have the ability to sell, buy and sell for that matter. Tangem has built several different partnerships where you can easily swap your tokens and sell your crypto as well. So guys, this is 100% my favorite hardware wallet. And it wasn't like that in the past, but that's because I didn't have one. So once they sent this to me and I unboxed it, I gave it an unbiased review. I've been more and more impressed. Their software updates, their app is incredible. So guys, keep that in mind. If you pick one of these up, I have a video teaching you guys step by step how to do this. And guys, like even on YouTube, some of these videos are doing well. So if you type in best hardware wallet on Google, 3 of the videos come up and I am praising the Tangem Wallet. Okay. So guys, comment down below. Do you agree? Is this the best crypto hardware wallet under $100? Guys, it is the best wallet under $50 right now using code MOOSE plus that 5% bonus. So guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.